So I just changed my oil in my 81 SR5 pickup. Old engine. Previous owners did oil changes, no real deep engine cleaning. And I changed it, and that's what it looked like. After a week, I'd put the liquid seafoam in there. I also put it in the car, but I guess both did a little bit. Yeah, it's been about a week, and everybody knows what clean oil looks like, so that's what came out. Real dark oil. Just used regular AutoZone. Nothing special. And, oil filter. It's still hot. Oil filter. I'm gonna just change it anyways, even though I guess really have to. Guess I took it off and there's nothing in it. Yeah, it's really in there. Well, I'm just gonna change it anyways. But yeah, so I guess seafoam actually cleans. Looks even darker than when I first changed it out. Yep.